This is Munir from Webylancers, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can transform your WordPress website dashboard to something modern like this. So this is the final result we are aiming to achieve. Without wasting of time, let's dive in and let's get it started. Just open up your new tab and search for the Admin2020. Now you'll see a site here. Just scroll down and now you will see that there are four kind of packages are present here. You can choose if you can afford, otherwise if you are a beginner you can choose a free light version. Just click on the download button and fill out the information and click on the agree button and just continue again, and now you will see that in download option is present here. You can download the zip, and after the downloading you can go to the license option and copy this key. Now go to your website, go to the admin and go to the plugin section, click on the button add new and just upload your plugin. Choose file and just open this and click on the install now. So now activate this plugin and as on my website the plugin is already installed, so I'll just update this, otherwise you can put your key there. Now you can play with the different settings. Go to this profile icon and go to the preferences, and you can also switch to the normal mode or the light mode. So now you'll see this effect. I'll keep this darker mode. You can also switch to the show screen options or not. So I will just open this and now just save. Now you will see that you can see the screen options here. If you want to view your site, just click on this icon and now you will see that you can visit your website easily. You can play with the different settings of this and then save these. I'll just remove some cache. You can now access your dashboard, go to the updates and update the themes if necessary. Okay, now it's updated. You can also go to the post and create a new, or you can check the previous ones. You can also import the media and the pages, same like as you did in the previous dashboard. But in this, if you will buy the premium packages of the admin 2020, you can create different folders and different other stuff. But in the free version you can just take a look at this modern dashboard. So in this way you can transform your dashboard easily. So if you have any questions or queries, you can leave a comment to me in the comment box, and if you like my video then please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.